So I'm hoping today will rewrite a memory and Sydney will be one of those special places.
Oh my lord!
Will you marry me? With her, just dating for 2 weeks, I asked her to be my girlfriend without any planning, and then fast forward 1.5 years, although it's just been a short time, I kind of know she's the one. It just felt right. She asked me out on a date because of my dog. I remember we met at a Mexican restaurant, and then one thing led to the other, and then we started talking, and we found out we had the same tattoo. Both of us have a semicolon tattoo. Yeah, so much excitement. I've been trying to hold this a secret for a long time. I'm terrible at holding secrets, and I really hope this is the best proposal that she'll ever see in her entire life. The thing I love the most about her is her beautiful eyes. I love you. I really do.
It's a beautiful day at the beach.
We're gonna do a plan where we actually land at Magenta Beach with a picnic setup done for her. We're gonna bring out a ring, pop a question. I think I'm gonna cry.
I'll meet you at the waterline. Birds are flying up above.
I really like her smile. I think she's a beautiful human. Probably one of the kindest souls I ever know. With her, it's always about we're a team, we're trying to fix problems together, we want to build a future together.
Waiting for the night time to see what it brings. And I'm still living deep in my head. Sometimes I feel my eyes there. Maybe tonight, baby.
Take this off.
Yeah, I didn't. The gift.
Special gift?
Yeah, boy. No, it's been a running joke. So he's been asking me to buy him a ring. So I said, will I? But of course I did, right?
On camera, right? So am I engaged?
Are you no? Are you?
I took so much effort to drink a soju, to bring this on. This is the one from where we first met.
It's not even a ring shape. It's B. Cool.
This is going on camera. That's a bit embarrassing. I'll lend you this.
It's too big.
No black diamond.
Dreams, the things you like. What turns you off, what makes you down.
We're just about to come into land at a little beach called Magenta.
Hiding a million different things.
I asked you for a relationship 2 weeks in, right? Because you got instincts, right?
Yeah?
I'm gonna jump the gun and I'll ask you for 2 years.
Oh.
Okay? So Sydney is a special place to me.
Uh-huh.
And you always want to see it through my lens as to why Sydney is special. And last time I came, it wasn't the best memory. So I'm hoping today will rewrite a memory and Sydney will be one of those special places.
Oh my lord!
Will you marry me?
Yes!
That's it.
The shade is also good.
Let's switch this out.
Oh my god. I'm just kidding. Oh!
It's...
Oh my god, you crazy.
And I'm still living deep in